How to turn off and disable user ratings on all your videos at once on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to youtube.com. This is the homepage. Log into your account, click here and go to your YouTube studio. As you can see, this is my YouTube studio. As you can see, now click on content to see all your videos, and here you will find all your videos. Click here to select all your videos. And after you select all your videos, now the second tab is go here, click on edit and go down to user ratings, click here and click off and click update videos. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.